Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for all attendants. First of all, at this International Conference and Science Technology for Internet of Things Yogyakarta, I would like to thank you for the opportunity given to me to deliver an article entitled Application of Problem-Based Learning Model in Mathematics Learning to Increase Learning Motivation of Grade 4 student of Depok State Elementary School 1. Next, let me introduce myself. I am Atika Purwaningsh from Sarjanawiyata Tamansiswa University, Yogyakarta. And now, we will move on to the article presentation session. First, there is a background. Education is very important to improve quality human research with good science and technology skills to face the challenge of the global era. With good and proper education, the human researchers' products will be high quality. Therefore, education must be planned and implemented comprehensively to prepare human resources or HR. They are in accordance with the character of the 21st century, such as the inclusive things, high integrity, and superior character. Masidah and Sartika 2022. Based on the result of observation on grade 4 students of Depok State Elementary School 1, several obstacles in learning include: the first, students are less enthusiastic in learning. Second, some students enjoy playing by themselves. Third, each student has a different level of ability. Fourth, the learning model used has not maximally met the needs of students. 5. Low student learning motivation. Based on the description of the obstacles above, improvements are needed in learning. One of the solutions of the above problems is to apply the problem-based learning or PBL learning model in mathematics subject. Type problem-based learning is learning model that involves real problems in everyday life. This provides students with the opportunity to solve problems and draw conclusions from the object met. The second is method. Classroom action research is carried out for 2 cycles, each of which consists of 2 meetings. The subjects of this study is 4th grade students of Depok State Elementary School 1 with a total of 28 children. Early research was carried out from August to September 2024. The object of this research is to increase learning motivation mathematics. The data collection methods used are observation and questionnaires. Data analysis techniques using 2 approaches, namely quantitative and qualitative, in the form of the descriptive analysis. Result and discussion. Model implementation problem-based learning to improve the learning motivation of grade 4 students of Depok State Elementary School 1 in the mathematics learning is carried out in 2 cycles, each cycle consisting of 2 meetings. The research starts from the pre-cycle activities, Cycle 1 and Cycle 2. In the process of the learning mathematics through the model problem-based learning, adjusted according to step problem-based learning according to, namely, first, student orientation to problem. 2. Organize student to learning. Third, guide individual and group investigation. 4. Develop and present the result of the work. And the second, analyze and evaluate the program solving process. A comparison of the learning motivation result of the student in the pre-cycle stage. The average score of the student learning motivation was 38 with the percentage of 58.42%, which include in the low category. Furthermore, in the cycle 1, there was an increase in the average scores of student motivation to 57 with the percentage of 78.05%, which is included in the high category. Then in cycle 2, there was increase in the average score of 61. with the percentage of active 4.07%, which is included in the very high category. So, the implementation of the problem-based learning to increase student learning motivation, mathematical learning in cycle 1 and to experience increase of 6.202%. As a result, student learning motivation increased significantly through the implementation of the problem-based learning or PBL model. The use of the problem-based learning properly and according to student needs can have a significant impact on their learning motivation. This is because the approach of problem-based learning provides active learning relevant to real life and student-centered. Conclusion: based on the result of classroom action research carried out 2 cycles, it can be concluded the application of the model problem-based learning successfully increased motivation student learning in mathematics in grade 4 of Depok State Elementary School 1. This is supported by the result of the questionnaire which increased from the pre-cycle, cycle 1 and cycle 2 stage. This can be shown from the pre-cycle average score of student learning motivation, which is 38 with the percentage of 58.42%, which is included in the low category. Furthermore, in the cycle 1, there was increase in the average score of student motivation to 57 with the percentage of 78.05%, which is included in the high category. Then in the cycle 2, there was an increase in the average score of 61, with a percentage of 84.07%, which is included in the very high category. So, the implementation of the model problem-based learning to increase student learning motivation, mathematical learning in cycle 1 and 2 experience an increase of 6.02%. I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.